Hi guys, today we will talk about how to hidden videos on your Prime Video. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Prime Video. All you have to do, just go up, you click here on this picture here and up. Then it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just go up, you click here on this sign settings. Then it's going to take you to settings window here. Then you just go down and you come to here, you click here on hidden videos. I can click here because my screenshot it's gone to so it's gone when I click here. So you just click here on hidden videos and it's going to take you to next window and add your information, Amazon, and it's going to you will find your hidden videos on this window. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.